From one great player to the another, undoubtedly one of the best fast bowlers from the subcontinent, Wasim Akram is happy with his new role to coach young pacers and said that he was open to coaching his national side as well. In an exclusive chat with Times Now, he favours the host for the Ashes but said they should be aware of the Aussie bite back.
Wasim, the Ashes are going on. Your favourites, England, are 1-0 up. Do you think they can pull off the miracle once again?
I hope so. This is the first time I want to support England. Usually they have been getting hammered by the Australians. But yes, they did very well in the first test match. And the second test match, they won it. And Flintoff was the hero. I think with Peterson going out, they will struggle a bit in the middle order. Number 3, number 4 will be Ian Bell. Number 5 will be Colin Wood. So it's a bit of inexperience there. They'll be under pressure. But I think as far as England team concerned, their confidence and their confidence will be sky high after winning the last test match. But Aussies will come back hard. They're only lacking with a good spinner. I mean, obviously you can't have another Shane Warne. So that's why they're struggling.
Fitness is very important. Flintoff recently retired because he decided to give up tests. What do you think? Did he take a rash decision?
He was getting injured. He had one knee operation, 2 ankle operation, and it was a front ankle where he used to land. So I think it was very difficult for him to continue. Test cricket is tough. Only the toughest will survive. So that's why Test cricket is so important to be there.
You're teaching here in India. You're training the Indian bowlers. Have you thought about coaching Pakistan, and what has been the PCB's attitude about it?
I have no idea. I haven't heard from PCB for ages. But yes, of course, I will help Pakistan or any other cricket nation there, especially for the youngsters. I'm all for youngsters. I think whatever I've heard over these, everybody wants to coach their national side. But I think opposite. I think if I have to help cricket, it has to be the younger generation. The beauty of cricket is because of Test cricket. And it's a long game. Endurance requires a lot of endurance, stamina requires, and of course, mental fitness requires as well, apart from your physical fitness. And I think all the cricket lovers they agree with me that Test cricket, maybe ICC will think eventually to have a day and night Test matches, especially in our part of the world, because our part of the world definitely the interest is going down a bit.